Water has a unique surface tension. Water in plants can therefore flow upward against gravity, bringing life, giving water and nutrients to the top of even the tallest trees. Water freezes from the top down and floats, so fish can live in the winter. 97% of the Earth's water is in the oceans. But on our Earth, there is a system designed which removes salt from the water and then distributes that water throughout the globe. Evaporation takes the ocean waters, leaving the salt, and forms clouds which are easily moved by the wind to disperse water over the land for vegetation, animals, and people. It is a system of purification and supply that sustains life on this planet, a system of recycled and reused water. The human brain simultaneously processes an amazing amount of information. Your brain takes in all the colors and objects you see, the temperature around you, the pressure of your feet against the floor, the sounds around you, the dryness of your mouth, even the texture of your keyboard. Your brain holds and processes all your emotions, thoughts, and memories. And at the same time, your brain keeps track of the ongoing functions of your body, like your breathing pattern, eyelid movement, hunger, and movement of the muscles in your hands. The human brain processes more than 1 million messages a second. Your brain weighs the importance of all this data, filtering out the relatively unimportant. The screening function is what allows you to focus and operate effectively in your world. The brain functions differently than other organs. There is an intelligence to it, the ability to reason, to produce feelings, to dream and plan, to take action and relate to other people. The eye can distinguish among 7 million colors. It has automatic focusing and handles an astounding 1.5 million messages simultaneously. Evolution focuses on mutations and changes from and within existing organisms. Yet evolution alone does not fully explain the initial source of the eye or the brain, the start of living organisms from non-living water. Reason number 2. The universe had a start. What caused it? Scientists are convinced that our universe began with one enormous explosion of energy and light, which we now call the Big Bang. This was the singular start to everything that exists, the beginning of the universe, the start of space, and even the initial start of time itself. Astrophysicist Robert Jastrow, a self-described agnostic, stated, "The seed of everything that has happened in the universe was planted in that first instant. Every star, every planet, and every living creature in the universe came into being as a result of events that were set in motion in the moment of the cosmic explosion. The universe flashed into being, and we cannot find out what caused that to happen." Steven Weinberg, a Nobel laureate in physics, said at the moment of this explosion, the universe was about 100,000 million degrees centigrade, and the universe was filled with light. The universe has not always existed. It had a start. What caused that? Scientists have no explanation for the sudden explosion of light and matter. Reason number 3. The universe operates by uniform laws of nature. Why does it? Much of life may seem uncertain, but look at what we can count on day after day. Gravity remains consistent. A hot cup of coffee left on a counter will get cold or hot. The earth rotates in the same 24 hours, and the speed of light doesn't change on earth or in a galaxy far from us. How is it that we can identify laws of nature that never change? Why is the universe so orderly, so reliable? The greatest scientists have been struck by now a strange disease. There is no logical necessity for a universe that obeys rules, let alone one that abides by the rules of mathematics. This astonishment springs from the recognition that the universe doesn't have to behave this way. It is easy to imagine a universe in which conditions change unpredictably from instant to instant, or even a universe in which things pop in and out of existence. Reason number 4, the DNA code informs, programs, seals behavior. All instructions, all teaching, all training comes with intent. Someone who writes an instruction manual does so with purpose. Did you know that in every cell of our bodies there exists a very detailed instruction code, much like a miniature computer program? As you may know, a computer program is made up of ones and zeros like this: 1100101010110000. The way they are arranged tell the computer program what to do. The DNA code in each of our cells is very similar. It's made up of 4 chemicals that scientists abbreviate as A, T, G, and C. These are arranged in the human cell like this: C, GT, GT, GA, CT, CG, CT, CCCT, GAT, and so on. There are 3 billion of these letters in every human cell. Well, just like you can program your phone to beep for specific reasons, DNA instructs the cell. DNA is a 3 billion lettered program, telling the cell to act in a certain way. It is a full instruction manual. Why is this so amazing? One has to ask, how did this information program went up in each human cell? These are not just chemicals. These are chemicals that instruct, that code in a very detailed way exactly how the person's body should develop. Natural biological causes are completely lacking as an explanation when program information is involved. You cannot find instruction, precise information like this without someone intentionally constructing it.